How do you see responsible AI impacting the extended workforce?
This question can be looked at a couple ways. Is can the workforce be replaced, and if so, the extended workforce, and when I say workforce be replaced, how can AI do that job? Or if we are using AI to provide the extended workforce solution, how does AI help, right? There are multiple aspects in that. There is an efficiency aspect. How do you bring that workforce right in time, in a better price, and understanding much better about the customer, and then providing that knowledge ahead of time to a potential contractor or a consultant before going to the job, right? So providing that market intelligence and the company related intelligence, and even sometimes educating the hiring managers with relevant information, not just about the competitiveness of the market, but also about when we send a potential candidate, right? These biases that we talk about is very inherent to us. And we can even call that human intuition at some point, right? Where does the intuition stem from? From our own experiences and whatever we acquired over a period of time. And that's what reflects in data too. So we just need to see with the data, is there any of the intuition or bias that we are saying, is some attribute of that is more prevalent, right? And we need to be careful about that part, and the systems need to be able to showcase to even to a decision maker, or even to the service provider, or the software, that AI that whoever is giving. So both of them, both parts are very important to kind of provide the transparency, whether it's in the providing the intel or information, or even when you provide a resource to your customer. So the transparency in decision making process is probably one of the critical aspects to make sure this AI is working responsibly, even when your provider is providing using AI to provide that workforce solution.
Every workforce practitioner, and particularly also extended workforce practitioners, I mean, they're looking at AI, their companies are looking at AI, their leaders are coming to them and saying, hey, how do we, basically gain this competitive advantage over competition, use AI, because I hear all these things, scalability and efficiency and all that. So the impact of AI on all aspects of talent and workforce is inevitable. It's probably already happening. And so when it comes to the workforce practitioners and their understanding of AI, I mean, how critical it is, it is basically, I mean, literally, the organization's success and failure, and the future workforce strategy of an organization is going to depend on that. And it's not just responsible AI. Overall understanding of AI. What it is not, what it can do, what it cannot do, and then obviously a comprehensive understanding of responsible AI. It is very clear. I mean, the most obvious things would be, hey, you as a workforce practitioner, your leaders are relying on you to, be able to evaluate, implement these AI tools to, and leverage these AI tools. And do you have an understanding of, AI, and do you have a very, clear understanding of what responsible AI frameworks or what frameworks make AI responsible and ethical? So we are not, getting into any legal or reputational, risks, and and kind of getting into any hot waters with lawsuits and biases and data privacy issues and things like that.